Test cases define what needs to be tested and how. They ensure that software behaves as expected. But creating them manually is slow, repetitive, and often leads to gaps in coverage. In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we write test cases, helping QA teams improve efficiency, accuracy, and scalability. AI-based test case generation addresses key pain points in traditional QA processes. It eliminates repetitive manual work, ensures consistent documentation across teams, and helps identify both positive and negative test scenarios. Moreover, AI tools can adapt test cases as the UI or business logic evolves, making them ideal for agile and continuous testing environments. AI allows for rapid test case generation and real-time updates. For instance, when UI changes or a new feature is added, the AI can regenerate test cases in seconds. This is especially useful in fast-moving agile projects. Also, AI-generated tests can bridge the gap between development, testing, and product teams by providing consistent, traceable documentation. But remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement. It can assist you, but human review is still essential. Always validate the logic, ensure the business context is captured, and tweak the outputs. Over time, feeding domain-specific data into these tools can dramatically improve the accuracy and relevance of test cases. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game-changer for modern QA teams. By using AI to write effective test cases, you'll speed up release cycles, reduce bugs, and improve overall product quality. If you found this video insightful, hit like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more content on intelligent testing strategies. And we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any AI-powered QA tools? Drop your experience in the comments below.